What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So I'm at home, I'm outside my balcony, and I need to cut down something. And I'm just gonna cut down the plywood over there. We're gonna make new barn doors. Unfortunately, the barn doors over there are super rotten and they just don't want to stick to the wall, and it's like falling off sometimes. So whenever we do leave for the fall, definitely it'll be open and people could get in. So we're just gonna cut this in half and open. And so yeah, there it is. Thank you. So there it is, and we're gonna cut it in half and we're gonna replace both. So I'm at home, I'm just gonna split this in half right here, and then I'll just start to attach, remove the old ones and put in the new ones. So yeah. It worked. Explain what we're doing with this again. We're gonna need to resaw that. While my dad's doing that, yeah, he's figuring it out. So whatever. Whatever. So we're redoing the measurements. This side towards the bottom, it's a little off. It's supposed to be 2 feet, but over here it's exactly 2 feet, but over here it's a little less than 2 feet. So yeah, basically what we're doing with this, I just realized I have to resand this, but yes, but basically this is what we're replacing. So as in part 1, basically all we're doing right now is just doing the prep where we start sanding, painting, and etc. We're replacing both doors because, as you can see, the bottom one is off. This one is also off. The top is about to give. The middle about to give on this one. And all the screws are rusted too. So we're going to figure that out as we go. But yeah, we're going to be like, as the barn, it has like the decorations and etc. So all like these woods, we're going to replace. But we have all the parts for it. Basically, we're just going to be painting. So yeah, basically right after the painting time lapse, the video's over. So yeah, stay tuned for like part 2. It's gonna be coming in about maybe 4-5 weeks. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, just stay tuned, subscribe and like, and right after the painting montage, time lapse, that's gonna be it. So yeah.